Okay, now that we have our virtual machine ready, let's install Linux on it. Double click the VM or select it and click the start button to turn it on. When the VM boots from the media we've mounted before, select the installer, upgrade an existing system. This is going to be very straightforward. The installer is quite friendly and it's very easy to install Linux these days, and it also won't take very long. Here select OK if you want the installer to verify the article media. Since I've used it many times before, I'll just skip. I'm switching to scale mode here just for the sake of capturing the screen properly. You don't need to do that, and in fact it's better if you don't, because it will cause the mouse to behave a bit funny, as you'll probably notice. Click Next on the first screen, then select English as the system language and click Next. Then choose whatever keyboard layout you happen to be using. Here on the storage configuration screen, select Basic Storage Devices and click Next. You can see the mouse behaving a bit weird here, but I'll get it to work eventually. Click Yes, discard any data. Now for host name, use OTM-server, all caps, and click Next. Select the appropriate time zone for you and click Next. For a root password, I use OTM 6.3 exclamation point. Click Use Anyway. Here on partition configuration, change to use all space and click Next one more time. Then click Write Changes to Disk. Now on software set, let's select desktop, so we'll have a graphical interface to work with. No need to change anything else. Just click Next to kick off the installation. When all packages are done installing, you'll see a reboot button. Just click it, and when it's done, you'll see another welcome screen. Click forward. Then forward again. And forward one more time. Now we'll have to create a regular user. I used student for username, full name, and password. You can use whatever you like, really. It doesn't really matter. But please notice that if you do use something else, you'll have to adjust some commands later on. Accept the date and time by clicking forward. Don't enable kdump. Let's keep the OS memory footprint to a minimum wherever possible. So just click Finish. And just like that, our virtual machine is ready for us to log in with our regular user for the very first time. On the next video, we will configure Linux to make it suitable for our needs.